Good morning, it's Maria Guild here, and today I'm making a little bit of a different video. So I'm a local real estate agent here in Maricopa, but I'm also a mom, and I clean my house, and I cook, and I do all those kind of things. So today I wanted to make this fun little video. Recently I was on a kick where I was buying so many cleaning products, just trying to figure out what the best ones were and what would work in my home really well. So I have a few picked out, and I want to share some of my favorite cleaning products with you. All right, so in my house, I have a variety of surfaces. Obviously, I have granite countertops, then I have tile floor, I have carpet, I have wooden cabinets, all that kind of stuff, which most homes have. So I just wanted to share, after trying so many different products, which ones I really like and I have found to be super great and just what I need. This is not sponsored by anybody. I'm not promoting any special products. I'm just sharing what's worked for me. All right. And if you have ideas and suggestions, let me know, because I feel like there's a lot of great products out there that probably I don't even know about. So let me know what you like and what you use. All right, the first one I'm gonna start with is, it's an all-purpose cleaner that I found works so good on both my granite and my tile. So typically when I go to start cleaning my house, I will do all my surfaces, and then I will go down and I will do the floors. So I wanted something that could be good for all of it, for both of it. I buy these little pads from the dollar store, and they're mop, and I wipe my counters with the pads. I do the floors with the pads. I get it all done in one go. So I used to have separate items. You know, I'd have a tile cleaner, I'd have a granite cleaner, but you guys, I found this cleaner and it is so amazing, and it works so good on every surface. Da-da-da, drum roll. It is the Simple Green. Oh my gosh, guys, I recently discovered this. We have a Home Depot now in our town, and they carry this, and I actually ended up buying the massive gallon of it because I love it so much. It's a powerful degreaser. It doesn't leave streaks on my floors or on my countertops. If you haven't tried this product, this has replaced literally all my other products. This is essentially all I need to get things really squeaky clean. Okay, next I have the products that they're tried and true, and I really love, especially for my wood, and that is just the Murphy's soap. I love this. With some warm water, I can wipe down all my cabinets, all my drawers, my desk, anything wooden. And then after I've cleaned it with the soap, I love using this. And this is the Pledge Furniture Spray. You can spray this on and then just use a dry cloth to kind of condition your furniture and everything. And I love the smell of this amber and argan. So it's not the regular lime, it's a different one, but it smells so good, and it makes my home smell like a model home, all cool and brand new. All right, let's see what else. I also really love just the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. This is a great degreaser. You can, put it on fabric to treat stains. It really works really good. So if you have one of these, use it. You can take the top off. You can do a replacement. Sometimes even add a little water in here to stretch it. But this one works really good. The other thing I use in my home, so like I said, there's 5 people in my house, and everyone's cooking, and I've got teenagers, and I love a nice smelling home. So one of the products I found that I really like is, and it makes my home smell so amazing. Whenever I've cleaned my house, I like to put this on, and I'm going to show you. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so I have just this little clay, I don't know, diffuser or burner, and you stick a little candle in here, and then I use this, and it's like an essential oil. Can you see it? And it's from the Body Shop, I believe. And it is It's called Satsuma Home Fragrance Oil in the fragrance Clementine. So it has a super fresh, citrusy smell. It permeates the whole house and it smells so amazing. So that is literally my favorite product for making my house smell good. The other thing that I have tried recently that actually works really well and smells really great too is this, and it is the room pourri. So obviously people probably know about this product, you know, for bathrooms. You can spray in your bathroom, but they came out with a new line and it is a room spray, but it works really, really well. It's extremely, it's quite strong. So you just need a few sprays. You can spray it on like your couches or your fabric and it'll stay in there and it smells really, really good. All right, that was just a quick video sharing with you some of my favorite cleaning products. Please share with me anything that you've enjoyed using recently. And I'm always curious to learn more. Oh, here's one more thing. Let's talk about laundry. So I've tried a bunch of those products as well. I've done the dryer sheets. I've done those little beads. But I have to say nothing beats good old-fashioned fabric softener for laundry. I honestly feel like this is the best product if you want, you know, your linens, your towels, all of that to smell good. I just add this right into my wash and I feel like my clothes smell really great, even without using the scent beads and all that other kind of stuff. All right, hope this was a fun video. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye.